Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a Sunday reset with me. So you will see me. I'll be doing laundry. I'm taking you on my Sunday routine where I'll be doing my chores, my house chores, my Sunday laundry, my cleaning, grocery shopping, meal prepping, and all those stuff. So here you see I started out with laundry and now I'm sitting to get me a cup of coffee. Then I hop on right into the kitchen and I started going through with my cupboards. So because I know I'll be doing grocery shopping, I will be making a list to see to find the things that we'll need for this week. Just restocking the cupboard in preparation for restocking the cupboards. So kids snacks, school snacks, throwing out the empty stuff and just reorganizing the cupboards so I know exactly what I need when I go for grocery shopping. How about you? What do you do on Sundays? Do you relax? Do you clean? Do you go to church? I'm usually a Saturday church girl. So Saturdays are my church and worship days, while Sundays are my cleaning days. So after I'm done with the kitchen, then I head on straight into cleaning. So first I usually like to start with the powder room, cleaning that bathroom first, cleaning the toilet, the sink, wiping the floors, washing the floors. My mats, I wash my mats like a few times per week, empty the trash, and all that fun stuff that is involved with home ownership, having a bigger space. I remember living in the apartment. It was so much easier, smaller space, 2 bedroom. You get up, spend maybe an hour, boom, 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 and you're done. But let me tell you something. Let me help you to get prepared for home ownership, having a bigger space and more to clean, more to do. It's just lots more stuff involved. Yes, there is so much beauty and benefit in home ownership, but this is one of them when it comes to the more to do cleaning when you have a bigger space. So there I go, cleaning, bathroom cleaning right there. See, I did my sink and I've been using more what do you call it, less chemicals when I'm cleaning. So I have some specific products that I use that are more friendly and more safer, less chemicals, more safer. So there I go again, there's a house. People live here. There's 4 of us, and this is usually the dumping ground where we pass this table throughout the daytime. So everything is usually dumped right here. So here I am decluttering, removing, organizing mails if there's any mails to be packed away, organizing mails. I see winter hats, winter gears, winter jackets. The kids, they just take off their stuff and they just throw them right there. Can you relate to this? Do your kids take responsibilities of their gears? Do they pack them away after school or they just throw them anywhere they feel like, yeah, these are what? See, I'm guilty too, to be honest, because here I leave my purse. I just leave random stuff right there. Yes, so after I'm done that, then I wipe the floors. You didn't see me recording that part of it, but I did mop the floors, leave it to dry, and then now I'm just reorganizing and replacing the stuff that I took out of the washroom. I enjoy cleaning. I am a homebody and my house is my sanctuary. I am here most of the time and I enjoy being home. So cleaning and decorating and organizing our home is fun for me to do. It's fun. It can be overbearing at times, but if you prioritize, you zone your house. So usually this level it gets clean every week, but then there are different stuff that I usually do, like bi-weekly or monthly. Say like vacuuming, cleaning the baseboards, changing the curtains, cleaning the windows, and all those stuff. So you can decide how you prefer to clean your home. Now, next on, I move to the living area where the TV area is. And you see this one, he eats, he just leaves things on the table. So I had to get him up to say, hey, buddy, now it's your time to clean up your mess, which he is usually very helpful and he is usually cooperative in doing that. So there we go. I get him out of his comfort zone and into his cleaning mode to start helping with his part of it. Yes, I delegate. I tend to delegate. We all have our different chores to do in the house, and but most times I just find myself doing it because that's one of my weakness, delegating and sticking to it. You know, you get up, you see the place untidy, and you just dive right into it. Can you relate to this? Yeah, it's the mom. It's the mom thing. Just being that one that's doing everything, most things in the house, right? So there we go again, cleaning up stuff, random stuff, random stuff just thrown about throughout the week. The dumping ground for everything. So there we go. What are your goals for home ownership? Do you already own your own home, or are you planning on home ownership soon or very soon? Let me know. So first of all, you have to imagine yourself in your dream home. What does that look like? How many bedrooms does it have? How big is the yard? The more detail you can visualize, the more motivated you'll be to achieve your financial goals for your home ownership. Now, I did a previous video a few weeks ago on how to achieve your home ownership goals by setting smart financial goals. And yes, ownership, saving up all this money can feel like a lot, but you can make it a fun process, fun and exciting process, right? Can be a daunting task, but it is achievable. The very first step is to first setting your financial goals. And if you haven't seen that video yet, I would advise for you to go check it out because it helps you to be realistic in setting your smart goals for your home ownership, right? And I also break down the financial goals, the steps you need to take. And, first of all, you need a budget. So identifying how much you can pay, how much you can afford for a mortgage, and the down payment is involved in that part of it. That's one of the upfront costs there with the down payment, which is usually between 5 to 20% of the home price, right? So let's say a house is cost the cost of a house is $500,000, and you want to put down say 10% down payment. So you'll need $50,000 for that down payment. That's how it works. First time home buyers can put down 5% down payment. So your 5% of that $500,000 would be $25,000. So those are things to consider when you're buying a house, looking into your finances. So here I am again, cleaning, vacuuming. I love using this vacuum. It is just so light and handy. I have the bigger ones, but I find this one is just so easier to work with, and it's kid friendly. My son usually, if he makes a mess, he goes and he grabs it, he plugs it in, and he does his thing. So I love it, and it's where I got it. I think I got this from Walmart, cheap Walmart vacuum, but it does the task. And here I go again, doing chores that is not my chores. This is usually my daughter chores, but usually on weekends I help her out. She gets a chance to sleep in. So I unpack the dishwasher, reload the dishwasher, and just get things organized because I cannot wait on her to get up to unpack the dishwasher, repack the dishwasher. I'm cleaning, so the whole place has to be clean. I can't do that. Now, do you have a dishwasher? Do you use your dishwasher? I know a lot of people have a dishwasher, but they don't use it. For us, this is restocked throughout the daytime, and it is started every night. Yes, we have to use the dishwasher. I like using the dishwasher, and it saves water too. So if you're gonna hand wash, it's more water, but the dishwasher saves water. So this bad boy goes on every single night. Yes, so this is a chore that we have to do every morning. We unpack the dishwasher. Now, excuse me. So as we were mentioning your home buying process, so it is important to track your progress towards your financial goals. So you'll make a chart or a graph to visually present how much you've saved each month, celebrating your milestone no matter how small your savings is. Because I'm sure you want to feel comfortable in your own home, in your own space, painting, decorating, doing whatever you like in your own house. Yes, you know I love to say in your own house. Yes. So I've gotten the most of the stuff done. So the bathroom is done, the dining area there is done, the living area there is done, and the kitchen era is coming to and done. Not completely done yet, but it's coming, it's coming. And there you see, I love home decor. I love gold accents. How about you? Do you enjoy decorating your home? Tell me, drop it in the comments. Let me know. Let me know. So next off, we're heading to the grocery store. So quick run to the grocery store. You know, as I said, I already did the list, so I knew exactly what I would need while I'm there in the grocery store. Quick run, came back. Now it's time to unpack. So here, yes, I decided the teenager has to do her part of the job. She usually unpacks the grocery and restock the cupboard and all that stuff. As you can see, she doesn't look so pleased doing it. She's in her mood. Do you have a teenager at home? Can you relate to this? Drop it in the comments, because these teenagers, yeah, they can be a handful sometimes. Their different moods and attitudes. So there we go. We unpack grocery. And you know, there are several different grocery stores here in Canada. I usually go to Food Basics, sometimes Freshco, or sometimes No Frills. Depends on where the sales are at. Yes, I do the coupon, check in my Flip app. So there is my meal prepping time. So I also went to the meat shop, Eastern Meat Market, where I buy my chicken most of the time, because I hate buying the grocery store chicken. So this chicken is more fresh. So you see, I seasoned up for the week or the next 2 weeks. There's chicken breast, brown stew chicken. I've got this one for sweet and sour chicken, chicken wings. So they're seasoned and we're ready. Frozen, quick, easy meal planning at the week. So here are all my vegetables. Sometimes I will cut them up and put them into the containers, like the carrots, and those are easy, healthy snacks to grab on the go, pack in our lunch bags and stuff like that. So there you go. And at the end of my Sundays are usually my YouTube recording night. So that's all my Sunday rolls out. Tell me about your Sunday. Drop it in the comments. Did you enjoy this video? And let me know if you enjoy this one, so I can do more Sunday behind the scenes of what goes down before I start filming my YouTube video. And there it goes, a clean home, ready, organized to start a brand new week. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hit the subscription button. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Have a blessed week.